For Market Winning Strategies, this is Mark Shawzen with another installment on how to conquer the markets. Today is May 12, 2015, and in this presentation I want to direct your attention to what I believe is setting up to be a potentially explosive move and a very large trading profit opportunity in most dollar-based currency pairs. In the screenshot we're now looking at is a chart of the US dollar index. The dollar index measures the dollar's value against 23 other countries. In the next slide, I will show you which countries and how they're weighted against the dollar index. I typically do not trade the dollar index directly, but rather keep an eye on it for important moves. And currently, the price pattern that is emerging on the dollar index should be of considerable interest and concern to those investors of US dollar-denominated investments, and also to traders looking to capitalize on big price moves in the next weeks or months ahead. As you can see from this price chart, the dollar has been in a sustained bull move for the last year, since May 2014, starting at the 80 level, going to around the 100 level. So almost a year bull trend in favor of the US dollar. But recently I've been observing a pattern that looks like prices are going to reverse in the downward direction. And let me direct you to what I'm looking at here. So in late March, the dollar index moved to a new high at or around the 100 level, peaked there, moved back down to about the 96 area, tried another attempt just below the 100 area, and now has fallen off. This has traced out a pretty spectacular and prominent double top pattern that we're now looking at. And it is basing at or near under the neckline. So this is what we're looking at here. Prices are now trading under the neckline at the 96 area. And based on what I'm seeing, I feel that the next major direction is going to be lower. We can also see the appearance of a head and shoulders with a little lower neckline coming in at or around current level prices. Again, penetration below the 94 area would suggest that the prices in the dollar index are going to go substantially lower. Now let's see how the dollar index is weighted so we can make some further trading decisions. In this slide, we're reviewing the countries and those currencies that comprise the dollar index and their relative weighting. So as we can see from this chart, the euro currency comprises almost 58% of the dollar index weighting. So a substantial portion of the dollar index weighting is in the euro. The euro comprises the union of 18 different countries in the euro union. The other currencies are the Japanese yen, the British pound sterling, the Canadian dollar, the Swedish krona, and lastly the Swiss franc. But as we can see, the euro comprises the majority of the dollar index. With that said, let's take a look at how the euro is faring against the US dollar. So with the euro versus the US dollar comprising a good portion of the dollar index, it's not surprising that this should look like a mirror of the dollar index, just in reverse. So in this case, we're looking at the euro, which bottomed at around the 105 area in or around early March, rallied up to a little over 110, had another decline back just to the 105 area, and has now rallied beyond that and is trading slightly above the current neckline. So based on this double bottom pattern, we feel that prices are going to inch up over the next few weeks and months substantially higher. And if we measure out the move that the double bottom has traced out from approximately here to here, we can approximate from the neckline that that move will extend to at or near the 120 level. So a move from 112 to 120 would roughly equate on a margin basis about an $8,000 move for every $1,000 invested. So that's the potential magnitude that I believe we're looking at in the next few weeks and months on the euro versus the US dollar. If you would like to learn how we capitalize on these and other moves, please consult our website at marketwinningstrategies.com. You can always contact me directly at marketwinningstrategies.com. So until next time, Market Winning Strategies, the best trading education anywhere. Bye-bye now.